Hi guys, today we're going to dive a little bit into biomes. Now what is a biome? A biome is a geographical area that has similar climates and ecosystems. Although sometimes the names can be debated, most scientists have agreed that the six major land biomes are tropical rainforest, tundra, taiga, temperate deciduous forest, grasslands, and this includes the prairies, our savannas, and our chaparral, and desert. Let's start with the tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforest is typically found near the equator. As we know, the equator is very warm. The rainforest receives between 200 to 450 centimeters of rain annually, and the temperature ranges between 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. What's so great about this biome is that as many as 50% of the world's animal species may be found here. Tundra is our coldest biome that is usually treeless. This biome also consists of permafrost, which is a permanently frozen soil that starts as high as a few centimeters below the surface. The winter temperatures are usually around -34 degrees Celsius, while the summer temperatures can reach as high as 10 degrees Celsius. There is very little to low precipitation in the tundra, but the ground is usually wet because the rate of evaporation is very low. Taiga. This is the world's largest biome. It's usually warmer and wetter than the tundra, although it does get cold. They usually have 35 to 40 centimeters of precipitation a year, and this is mostly in the form of snow. Next, we have the temperate deciduous forest. Now, most of us should be pretty familiar with this because this is the biome that Georgia is in. The climate is moderate, and most of the trees will lose their leaves in the winter. Temperatures range between -30 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, and as we know, our summers are hot and our winters are cold. Temperate deciduous forest rainfall averages between 75 to 150 centimeters. Because of this precipitation and decay, the soil is very fertile. Grassland. They usually have wet season followed by a season of drought. Because of the dry climate, trees are found near water sources for those times of drought. Usually, the grassland receives 50 to 90 centimeters of rainfall each year, and their temperatures range from 38 degrees Celsius to -40 degrees Celsius. Last but not least, let's talk about the desert. The desert receives less than 25 centimeters of rain each year, and many of us already know that the desert is very dry. Temperatures can range from 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, but some extreme deserts can reach 38 degrees Celsius to -15 degrees Celsius. You have some deserts who are extremely cold during the nighttime and extremely warm during the day. We have briefly reviewed characteristics of each of the six major land biomes. Now it's your turn. I would like you to perform some additional research on the types of plants and animals that live in each biome. I would also like you to find examples of where these biomes are located around the world. Be very thorough in your research and your data that you collect, for this will be used in your next assignment, which is a biome foldable assignment.